think I will answer as a citizen, not as a relative or a governor. But for me, sana tumigil na lahat. Huwag na impeach na yan. Kasi ang dami natin problema. Let's do public service first before we do impeachment. Kasi ano lang yan, what will it do? Maaantala lahat ng mga senado, mga congressman, mag-hearing na naman, whatever, di ba? So, parang, now's not the time. Let's do public service first, and really, that's my sentiment as a citizen of the Philippines, not anything else. But for me, as a citizen, I would really want our leaders, national leaders, to do what they were voted for, to serve the public, to serve whatever needs to be done for our country, para naman we progress into something more, something better. And I think that is also what's in the mind and heart of our president. All he's doing is working. He's working and he's doing whatever he can. Medyo kasi siya pa ang nag-recognize na merong corruption. Di ba? Hindi madali yun. It's not easy. So for me, and I think one of the things also is, I think I agree with Sen Tito Soto. Kasi ang sinasabi niya, kung we do the same things over, pareho, di ba? So, ang akin, we have to fix our system. Kasi, which means to say, I am all for charter change. I am all for fixing our constitution. Kasi, nung ginawa ito 1987, di ba? Ano na ngayon? 2026 na. Yung mga, wala pa nun yung mga about mga IT, mga ganon, mga social media. There's nothing that talks about social media in our constitution. So, sana, let's do our priority muna, and that is to serve the country, to serve the community, di ba? Kasi mahirap kung puro impeach. To a certain extent, maybe we have never really healed from EDSA. Di ba? Kasi puro rebellion. As I said, there is also in obedience, sana we can be obedient to the laws. Kasi when you're obedient, blessings come after. So, yun ang akin. So, sana ayusin muna natin ang sistema, and let's do the work that we're supposed to do. Let's not think anymore about impeachment. Kasi, ang hirap Para ang mangyayari after that, next naman, makikimpeach na naman. Parang hindi na matatapos. Parang forever na lang ganun ang nangyayari. So, kung pwede, ayusin muna natin ang sistema natin para hindi tayo ganun. Para it can run no matter what happens, di ba?